Hello and welcome to lecture 5 of Java programming. And in this lecture, we're going to talk about arrays and strings. So far we've learned how to save a variable, but oftentimes the information data that we need consists of multiple data pieces. So in that case, um, storing every single data in a new variable will just gonna be a difficult process. So introducing arrays. And arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. And each of the variables is specified by an index in that array. So note that array indexes start with 0. So the index 0 is the first element and index 1 is the second element of the array. And then here, how it might look like on an array chart. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how to declare arrays? There's multiple ways of declaring arrays in Java. So first, we can declare and initialize an array in the same line. So the format is that we have the type of the array, which could be any valid variable types in Java. And followed by a set of square brackets. Array name is values and closed by a set of curly braces. So here's an example of that. Is an integer array of nums is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another way to declare an array is to declare an empty array with fixed size. And the format is, again, the type of the array, followed by a set of square brackets. Array name is new type and with size. So size specified within the square bracket. And then let's see an example. So integer square brackets grade is new integer of size 30. Another example, we can declare it as integer grades followed by square bracket is new integer of size 30. Notice that both are valid ways to declare arrays in Java. So let's look at an example. So let's say that we want to keep the ages of every person in a household in an array, and this is our data table with the name of the people living in the house and their ages. We can create an array of 5 integers and then store all the age values in that array. And here's how we could do. We can say integer ages is with a curly braces 50, 48, 18, 15, and 13. Okay. Alternatively, we can create an empty array of size 5. Then we can initialize every value one by one. Ages 0, index 0 is 50, ages index 1 is 48, ages index 2 is 18, ages index 3 is 15, and finally ages index 4 is 13. And then our array will look like this in our memory. Okay, so let's see this in an example. So here's our example of household.java class. In this class, we have an integer ages declared as a set of values 50, 48, 18, 15, and 13. All up, there are 5 elements in the array. Okay, so to test this, we can say javac household java to see if it's going to compile successfully. And looks good. Then we can run as java household. And then it says Bob's age is 50. And then if we want to print someone else, then we can say PL tab. Then we can say who else we want to print. The second person was Alice. So Alice's age plus ages of 1. Okay, to save and compile again and then run the program again. So now we have Alice's age is 48.